just finished up harvesting some kale for a little smoothie. Have a busy day planned, but always make time to come out to the garden and harvest some kale. As you can see, got a full row of Dino kale there. The other things under row covers, my sunflowers are getting huge. Got my row of beans, which are producing a lot, so that's exciting. And then there's some okra over there. This will all be summer lettuce. My tomatoes coming up nicely. They need to be kind of doing a weave method, and so I'm gonna need to go through and add a little bit more twine there to keep them from falling out of the aisles like they're doing. Some lettuce, some head lettuce is looking good. The other lettuce is kind of going to seed. So peppers looking fantastic. Gonna do another update with those. Look at all these flowers on my tomatoes. Look at that, they're gonna be crazy. And then we've got my melon and pumpkin patch looking great with clover as a cover crop in there, intermixed in there. So everything's looking great right now. Let me show you the main attraction out here. It's not this. Well, sometimes it's this, but other times it's this. Hey Bubbles. Hey Bella. Oh Bella. Bella, you want the pets or you want the kale? Come here, Bubbles. Come here, Bubbles. You say hi to the camera? You say hi to the camera? All right, Belle. I'll give you a little bit of kale. Let's break off some kale here. Belle. Woo! She dropped it. All right, Bubbles. Everybody's gonna be mad if I don't give you some. Good girl. All right. Well, that's it for today. Back to the office and time to make a smoothie. If you haven't heard it already, I love you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day.